Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you can see here, this is a Hemper unboxing. So I re-upped it again. So this is either March's box, or this is the last box. Just want to show these off here real quick. Got some backwoods. So instead of the carob flavor I was getting from Morty's Exotic Smoke Supplies smoke shop, I got these ones. These are the Porto. I believe it's the same as honeyberry, or maybe it's just a different berry altogether. Because I got these ones. So there's the honeyberry one, so I can compare these ones to that one. And then I picked up these ones today. It's called Sweet Woods Good Times Leaf Honeyberry 2 Premium Natural Rustic cigars. We'll see how they are. And then we got the new Swisher's Sweet Cream. And then I'll post stuff on Facebook about, not Facebook, on Instagram about those. Here's the dab toke, still working pretty good. I never made the Instagram videos for it yet. If you guys want to see that still, let me know down on the bottom. But yeah, let's get started. If this is last month's, then I already know what's in it. If it's not, then this is crazy and I got it hella fast. We'll just put that away. It's hard to tell which one that one was. So I got a new ashtray, another one. So this is like a purple. On camera it kind of looks blue, but it's like, it's darker, it's a little darker than that, but it's purple. With the silicone debowler right there. So when you're ashing out your bowls, it'll come out instead of the plastic ones, which would melt. So that's pretty awesome. I'm happy I had that. Happy to have that. Hemper fresh wipes. So these, you basically use them on your hands, glass, or tools. So it helps. Basically, it cleans. Like mouthpieces if you go to like dab shows, or if you share it with a friend and then you're sick or something, or they're sick. But yeah, or cleaning bangers or nails. So these are the Just Hemp, so no flavor. I'll let you guys know about those on Instagram as well. Some odor eliminator, which is pretty good. Definitely do need that some days, just in case. And then there's also a little bag here. So in the bag, there's some pretty neato stickers. There we go. Some neato stickers. Some hemp wick, like always. They always give you some good hemp wick. These are the best filters. OCB organic hemp unbleached cigarette paper slim. That's what the inside says. Very soft paper. Actually, I think I like this a lot. It's just very soft. But yeah, I'm gonna give those a try out too. A little doobie tube, and then a really nice lighter that I definitely needed. Sweet. So that's that. And then for the piece, we got, I can get all these things off here. Yeah. So this is last month's, which is fine. and I get another package from them this month, so that means another video for you guys. Oh, this is tight. There we go. So it's a UFO. Is that the UFO milk? I don't know if that's what it's called. But yeah, so it has a little donut hole. Whoa. So mine has these 3 holes right here. I don't know if it's supposed to have that. There's a hole. There's a hole. And there's a hole. I feel like it's supposed to be there, but I don't know. I'll let you guys know on Instagram. But yeah, that's pretty neat. If it's supposed to be like that, then I don't know how I'm supposed to use it. If it isn't, I don't know, I guess let me know. But yeah, it's really neat. I'm definitely going to be keeping them. And then give them a go next month. And see how next month's is. But if not, I'm going to probably just stick to the one. I haven't really found a really good one. I'm going to probably re-up on the weed box one, and maybe another one. My friend gets one every month as well that I haven't tried before, so we'll see. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Hemper, for the box and the cool piece, and then I'll see you guys next time. Peace.